In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow PDF on ClickFunnel. We're going to walk through the process of uploading a PDF into your ClickFunnels account so you can easily use it in your funnels, whether that's for lead magnets, downloads after purchase, or any other type of content delivery. First, start on your ClickFunnels dashboard. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen and find the option called Workspace Settings. Go ahead and click that. This area is where you manage many of the background pieces of your account, including your files. Once you're inside Workspace Settings, look for the section labeled My Assets. This is essentially your library of files and resources connected to your workspace. Click on My Assets to open it. Inside My Assets, you'll see different types of content you can manage. At the top, find and select the tab called Downloads. This is the specific area where your downloadable files, like PDFs, will be stored. By keeping your files here, ClickFunnels can easily link to them from your funnels and pages. Now that you're on the Downloads tab, you're ready to upload your PDF. Look for the Upload File button and click it. This will open a file picker window from your computer or device. Navigate to the folder where your PDF is saved, select the file you want to use, and confirm your selection. After you choose the file, ClickFunnels will prompt you to enter a name. Take a moment to type in a clear, descriptive name that helps you recognize the file later. For example, instead of leaving a generic file name, use something that explains what the PDF is, like Email Marketing Checklist or Onboarding Guide. You'll also see an optional field to upload a preview image. This can be a simple cover graphic or thumbnail that visually represents your PDF. While this step isn't required, adding a preview image can make your assets easier to identify at a glance, especially if you plan to manage multiple files over time. When you're happy with the file name and optional image, click the Create File button to finalize the upload. ClickFunnels will process the file and add it to your downloads list inside My Assets. Once it appears there, your PDF is successfully stored in your workspace and ready to be linked from your funnels, thank you pages, or emails, giving your visitors a smooth and professional download experience.